Hi, let's continue from the Arrow Town. Last time I showed you the small and cutest Arrow Town. Now we are heading toward our next spot, which is Queenstown Skyline. So we are going to take luge ride plus gondola ride from there. And these epic and phenomenal views are coming on our way back to Queenstown. You have noticed that everywhere we find heaps of flocks of sheep. It's because the population of sheep are more than the human in New Zealand. Isn't a cool fact? Enjoying the beautiful views, and we are just about to reach the skyline. You can check their deals on their website as well, and service care is also available at the counter for your help. Me and my husband choose a 3-tier lodge ride, and everyone choose according to their preference over there. This gondola is taking us up, and believe me guys, the view of Queenstown from up there is so dreamy and unreal. You will feel like you have come to some heaven. First we went to the Skyline cafe or restaurant. This area is so beautiful, like the windows are all over and you can enjoy the beautiful view from here. You also need to grab your size of helmet from the container of helmets. So here is the track of lodge. At exit point there is a lift, so once you finish your round at exit point you need to take those lifts that will carry you and your lodge up back, and you can take your other rounds. So we have 3 tires, that means we can take 3 rounds. Whoever book like 5 tires, they can take 5 rounds, and so on. These paintings are made with the stones, so I find them really creative and unique because the stones are giving it a really good dimension and texture. So these were at the entrance of the Skyline Cafe. The view of Queenstown from this glass window is just epic and breathtaking. I have never seen so many color at one place and that beautiful landscape in my entire life. On each side you will find an entirely different view, which is only possible in New Zealand. Before lodge ride we drop all our stuff here, so once we came back we take all our stuff from the cafe. Here Musa is enjoying with his dada, dancing in his lap. Yeah, I forget to tell you, our lodge ticket for 3-tier was $86 per head, and it contained the 2-way gondola ride as well. Before starting, the instructor will let you practice a bit how to control it, how to take turn, and how to apply brakes. If you pull your handle back toward your side, the brakes will apply. If you push it forward, then it will start moving, and I keep my speed slow to have a better grip and control on the lodge. So afterwards we have a family photo outside the skyline. Afterwards we went to the famous burger shop of Queenstown, Fur Burger, and we also make sure it doesn't have any sausage. We come near the lake at city center, and it was an epic view to enjoy your lunch. In evening, after having a dinner at our hotel, we went at city center for walk and to explore the city center life. And we went to an ice cream shop. They claim that they have an Italian gelato and it tastes good. We have tried double chocolate flavor from Italiano Gelato, and it was so delicious. So in other cafe everything was made with the ice. We just have a look from outside. There was another cruise cafe at the corner of the lake. It was all light up. It looked really fancy and beautiful. We just enjoy its view from the shore area. Then we walk in and explore more cafes and shops in city center. And I was also enjoying my ice cream in cold and chilly nights of Queenstown. We all actually come to Queenstown to celebrate the birthday of Musa's cousin Eliana. So on next evening we get ready and went to the restaurant, and they arrange a dinner buffet for all of us, and we all eat too much until we get so full. So at the end, Ileana cuts a cake. She turned 1, so they want to make her first birthday so special. He actually cut 2 cakes, one at the skiing site, which I will show you later. Here Musa is enjoying and playing with his dada at the bench area after the birthday party. Hope you have enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.